Good morning, children. Welcome back. I hope you all are fine and ready for today's session. So, children, yesterday we learned how to write number name 16 in our class workbook. Yes. So, let's do a quick revision of number names 1 to 16 and then we will write number name 16 in our notebook. Okay, so let's begin with number names. 1. O-N-E 1. 2. TWO 2. 3. THREE 3. 4. FOUR 4. 5. FIVE 5. 6. SIX 6. 7. SEVEN 7. 8. EIGHT 8. 9. NINE 9. 10. TEN 10. 11. ELEVEN 11. 12. TWELVE 12. 13. THIRTEN 13. 14. FOURTEN 14. 15. FIFTEN 15. 16. SIXTEN 16. These were our number names. Now we will write number name 16 in our notebook. We will begin with today's date 7.1.2121. Outside the margin, leave 2 boxes and we will begin with capital N. N U M B E R. Number. Leave 1 finger space and write capital N A M E. Number. Name. After writing number name, next to the margin, you will write number 1 in one box and 6 in the other box. Then you'll make one small dash and we will write 16 S I X T E E N 16. Then you will leave one line and we will write 1 6 16 again. Make a dash S I X T E N 16. Again leave a box and then you will write 1 6 16 dash S I X T E N 16. Leave one line again. 1 6 16 dash S I X T E N 16. Again we will write 1 6 16, make a dash and we'll write 16 S I X T E N 16. Children, when you write, you will also repeat the spelling the way I am saying it. Okay. 1 6 16 dash S I X T E N 16. Again leave a line. 1 6 16 dash S I X T E N 16. S I X T double E N 16. Once more, children. 16 dash SIXTEEN 16. So children, you will write number name 16 with the date and you will write it in this format the way I have written. So children, let's do revision of months of the year which we did yesterday. We have 12 months in a year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. And today we are going to write January, February, March and April in our notebooks. Okay, children, open your notebook and we will begin writing months of the year. Beginning with today's date 7.1.21. Outside the margin line, leave 2 boxes and write capital M O N T H S. Months. Leaving 1 finger space, you will write O F off. Leave again 1 finger space. T H E the. Again 1 finger space. Capital Y E A R. This is a heading. Months of the year. We will leave 1 line and we will begin by writing 1 outside the margin. That is first month of the year. So we will write January, January, January. Then we will write 2, second month of the year. Capital F E B R U A R Y, February. Then we will write number 3, that is third month of the year. Capital M A R C H, March. Number 4, fourth month of the year. Capital A P R I L, April. Now we will make 1 line in the center of the page like this and we will write it 1 more time. So we will write number 1, that is first month of the year. January, January. January. Then you will write number 2, that is second month of the year is, yes, February. Capital F E B R U A R Y, February. Then 3, third month of the year, March. Capital M A R C H, March. And number 4, fourth month of the year. Capital A P R I L, April. January, February, March, April. Children, you will also write it 2 times the way I have written in the notebook and keep revising and practicing the spellings of the months of the year. So children, I hope you all enjoyed today's session. Please write number name 16 and months of the year January to April in your notebook neatly. Till we meet again soon, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.